Do you remember the goal that you set when you were filling out the form, and what was the target? And
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, every goal that we set was just crushed like easily, like without a doubt. Like I think I was like playing it like really solid. Like, okay, I don't know how this is gonna go. I want like a 3 times return on investment. Right. And I reached that easily. I think I made like 5 times that return on investment. And that's just from jobs that we collected the money. All the other jobs that I have booked, if we count those, then yeah, I've like 10 times that, like the return on investment, and much more than that. It's insane. Yeah, for sure. Every goal crushed easily, no problem. Yeah. Everything that I had before I hired you, anyone can get in like a couple of days, right? So it takes a few minutes to create a business page, get a little logo on there, clean for a few friends and have them write like some reviews, right? Like that's everything that I did. And that's all I had before I hired you. So it's not like I had a huge multi-truck operation. It's not like I had 20 years of sales experience. It's not like I had, the best equipment with, the best chemistry and the best knowledge. And I took a crap ton of courses to know how to do what I do. And I've worked multiple sales related jobs in the past. No, I've worked no jobs in the past. So I have no sales experience. Um, and yet I was able to, on my very first month, this is like I consider my first real month of doing something for the business as a business owner, right? Or at least a business owner mentality. I was able to generate 7,000. And with the entire amount of money that I invested in with you, right? So, to hire you and the ad spend, it's closer to 14,000, right? Because those $7,500 in jobs that I booked in October wasn't in October. I booked those with the ad spend, and that was spent in the month of September. So all of that from just, like I said, no website, no sales experience, some kid in his 20s with a crappy, ugly van outside. I was able to do that because I was able to do that because I was hungry for it, right? Like I wanted something done in my life. Like I'm like, it's time to grow my career. It's time to do something with my life. Because again, I dropped out of college back when I was 19, and now all my friends are like graduating at this point. I'm just like, I need to do something, right? I felt incompetent. I was like, man, like my best friend is graduating this year. Like, what if I had stayed in college, right? I would have like been graduating too. But I'm like, I need to do something with my life because he's doing something, right? Like he has reached a tangible goal in his life, which is graduation, right? He's going to get that degree. What have I done? Sure, I've learned a bit more, but what's like a real, like milestone? I don't think I have reached one. So that made me really hungry for success, for growth, for something. And that's what I believe played. That was like 50% of the puzzle. The other 50% is like you, right? Bringing in that traffic, bringing in all those, uh, you know, prospects at my doorstep. And then the other 50% was me closing them, right? Taking that ambition and doing something with it, you know. And so that's what to answer your question, that's what I would say. If anyone wants to work with you, I know firsthand you do a great job at bringing in traffic, bringing in leads, right? And then that's pretty much, the rest is up to us as business owners. We have to be able to close, we have to be able to communicate well, we have to be able to follow up, we have to be able to show up and show out when it comes with the results, and just do an amazing job. And that's stuff that we really have to be prepared on our own. And I know a lot of marketers, and probably you as well, have gotten like bad reviews or bad word of mouth because they're like, oh, it didn't really work. And so like, I'm pretty sure, like, if I can do it, like really just some kid living at home, working a part-time job, uh, just with a ugly van sitting in the driveway with, rusted equipment and just not much going for me. I don't have a website still.